mean, if I keep putting shine on, you're going to see me from the Great Wall of China.
Your forehead looks flawless right now.
If Amy's watching this and cursing me, I can only apologise. Essentially, I've got quite a lot of new makeup, and I thought, that's a lie. Number one, I'm starting off with a lie. Liv thought if I came in with no makeup on, we could just quickly put together a face and you can see things in real time. But the problem is I've got things in similar categories, so I might have to do a bit here and half a face there. So for example, we've been sent the new By Terry Brightening CC serums. 3 beautiful shades. I think I'm going to be the palest one. I'm not going to be the darkest one, obviously. I could probably blend those two. So I've got that, but I've also got the Sarah Creal Brilliant Repair Shield Illuminating Serum Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Sunscreen. So I might put that on first because I didn't put SPF on this morning. So I might do that first. Then I might go in for some colour. And then I've got... There's a lot on my desk. Then I've got a few foundation-y, powdery things to try. So I've got the Cream Cushion sculpted by Amy. I've got the Sarah Creal Face Flex, which is complexion concealer and complexion enhancer. And then the brand new Outside In. This is from Carissa, who is the founder of Hourglass. That's Silk Serum Foundation. I don't know anything about them. I don't know how they apply. I've got a few boxes open, ready to go. I've got the new Milk Hydro Concealers, and then we'll play with lip and things. So let's just crack on. It could all go horribly wrong, but that's okay, we can wash it off. So this is Sarah Creal. I bought quite a bit of Sarah Creal when I was in New York last year, and then when we went to New York, when was it? I don't know, but they also sent me a lot of stuff while we were there, and I haven't had time to do anything with it. So this says, finally SPF 50 you'll want to wear, fair. Powerhouse protection in a weightless serum that instantly gives skin a radiant, natural glow, layers well under makeup and never leaves a white cast. Oh no, it's 100% mineral sunscreen. Oh God. Okay, I'm just gonna try a bit. I hate mineral sunscreen. It's interesting because I instinctively shook. You don't have to shake when it's not mineral. I hate mineral sunscreen, so let's see what it looks like. Ooh. I'm just gonna... I mean, it feels all right. It doesn't smell of SPF, and that freaks me out. I love the smell of SPF. That'd be because it's a big fat mineral sunscreen. So it's zinc oxide at 12%. I mean, I haven't put enough on to be an adequate SPF, to be clear. But because I don't love a mineral sunscreen, I'm gonna carry on playing with other things. But pleasantly surprised. Yeah, not too much, not overbearing. I'm going to go in By Terry Brightening CC Serum. I think I'm number 3 and they've sent 2 and 4. Oh. So that's good. Let's just see what happens, because I think this is gonna be too pale. And this is gonna be too dark. But let's just do a tiny mix and see if we can play. They feel nice. It's quite coppery gold.
I feel like this is a really underrated product, but everyone I know uses it.
I mean, if I keep putting shine on, you're gonna see me from the Great Wall of China. Nice. Like I say, I'm not gonna go in heavy because I suspect, I could be wrong, number 3 might be a complete anomaly and be a completely different colour, but I suspect I might be number 3. But anyway, very nice. They feel very nice. I'm just perfecting, use perfection, hydration, correction, moisturizer, luminizing, brightening CC serum. They feel very nice. I'm not sure much correction has gone on, but hey ho. Should we do Outside In or Sarah Creal Face Flex?
Outside In.
Outside In and then the Face Flex. Okay, yeah. So Outside In, I've got 2 colours. I've got...
Yeah, you've not been sent Apricot Light in the By Terry, and that's the...
Typical. I've got 140 and 160 in the Outside In. I'm going to do 160. Well, it's a dropper. I just don't love a dropper. I don't understand why brands do, because it's immediately around the lid. Beautiful packaging, but I would have liked a pump. What do I know, Liv?
What shade have you gone for? 140?
Yeah, whatever the darker one was.
160, so that is described as light, warm, golden.
I mean, it's really light. I'm putting it on like this because I know the texture of things I've used for years, like Chanel Le Beige and other foundations. So this is a serum. This is not... I mean, I've put 3 products on my face now, I've still got no coverage.
That is also the way that you put on your own foundation, so it's a good test.
I mean, it's good colour.
It's a nice colour.
Good colour, feels fine, feels nice. I need more coverage than this though. I know people think as you get older you wear less makeup. That is not true. I need a bit of coverage to hide the redness and the broken capillaries and the dullness and the sallowness, and it's just fantastic. But it feels nice. You know I'm absolutely going to wash my face and take all this off afterwards, don't you? Great. Right, so Silk Serum Foundation. First impressions of outside in is that it's very, very fine. If you want fine, there is a brush that they sell with it, so I did really well there too. Well done. Let's see what the brush looks like. Oh, that is the brush, and that is the serum and the foundation. Would I have used it? Nice brush. I like something bigger though. All in all, a roaring success. Okay, then I've got CeraCreale Milk and Sculpted by Amy. So I think I'll do a bit of Sculpted by Amy. So we've got this, and then CeraCreale, the concealer and complexion enhancer. I've got that in 2 colours. And then the Milk, which Liv opened for me. State of that. God's sake, I was going to do it all on camera and be all like, you know, and she just look. Right, I think they might have good colours there too. So let's do a bit of Sculpted by Amy. Is this brush for this?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Cushion Duo brush. Cushion Duo brush, cream. Okay, so let's try this. We'll give it a go.
Bloody Nora.
Cute brush. This is like a beauty blender. And that's a chubby little brush. Nice.
I do love Amy's brushes.
Right, let's have a go.
Okay. You need to, yeah. Sorry, so sorry.
You think I need to open it? Do you think I need to open it, Liv? Are you just jealous that I haven't given it to you to destroy? I think you might need to open it. Do you think? Right, if you don't know this, this is the most brilliant texture. Look, it just, it's just such a good texture. Right, let's see what do we do this first, do we think, and then blend?
Yeah, I think.
Do you think so, Liv? I don't know. I mean, if Amy's watching this and cursing me, I can only apologise. I love the feel, and that dispenser is immense. Let me just see if you can see. You see anything on my head?
Yeah. Your forehead looks flawless right now.
Does it? Well, I have got quite a few seamless, flawless things on it, so I think it's a good colour match. Oh yeah, okay. I do like the brush, I say. I'm probably making a complete pig's ear of it, but I am the normal makeup consumer, so this is how people would instinctively get it home and play with it. Unless, of course, they're intelligent and follow Amy's advice, but there we go. Thoughts, feelings?
I like it. I think it looks great. I'm looking at you in real life and on the camera. On the camera, you look fantastic, as you do in real life.
Nice try. Yeah, very nice. I like. But I want to keep a bit of space to put more product on. So we like Cream Cushion by Amy. Of course we do. We love Amy. That's gone down well. I don't know where to put things. That's great. Let's do some CeraCreale. So this is what we're talking about. CeraCreale was ex-Estee Lauder and ex-Victoria Beckham. She launched Victoria Beckham Beauty with Victoria Beckham. Now she has her own brand. Looks like this. I think number 2 is going to be too pale. I'm going to try... Oh, that is number 2. Oh, they don't even go... Oh, so number 2 appears to be darker. That's 2. That's 3. There. Let's have a go. I mean, I'm just drawing on my face, Liv. It's not going to be like the be all and end all, is it? Let's just play.
Number 2 is fair, light, warm. Number 3 is fair, neutral, cool. So that would be like, wow, you like 2 more.
Right, now this is Precision Cheek and Eye Brush for quick coloration and sculpting. May not be the brush I need. I don't think it is. Maybe.
Did you use the other end?
Yeah, I'd use the small end. I wonder if I could get it off. There we go. Absolutely fine. Let me just do a little bit of blending.
This won an Allure Beauty Award last year.
Well, do you know what I find kind of slightly annoying about Allure? I really wish they still did the magazine, number 1. But the beauty awards are still quite corporate, I find, with Allure.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like, this gives more coverage than I would have expected, to be honest. I'm going in with the fingers. Yeah, they still kind of... Allure, to my mind, their awards still err on the side of corporate brands, not indie brands. And
right.
I mean, CeraCreale is an indie brand, but where she's come from is corporate. If that makes sense. Right, I like that. She said sticking her long nails up her nose. Nice. So CeraCreale, nice. Let's do some Milk. Milk, how do we do? So Milk Hydro Grip Gel Concealer, buildable coverage, natural radiant finish. Number 5. The only thing with this is that it warns you that once you've turned it up, it doesn't go back in.
Yeah.
So be careful.
Be careful of
Oh,
this.
that's way too pale. So I'm just going to have to let you play. Just see these textures. One's chocolate brown and one's white. It looks like a vanilla and chocolate milkshake on my hand. It feels nice though. It's a shame. Let me try the paler one just to see around the eye. My poor eyes are going to be like, how bad do you think we look?
Help.
I just need to play and see if there's any coverage. Let's see.
Ooh.
Now that feels very nice.
Yeah, it looks nice. Looks nice and hydrating.
Yeah. I mean, my whole face is basically a hydration cushion at the moment, so we like that. Very nice. I could do with some powder. I know I've got some somewhere. I saw a powder.
You have the Laura.
That's tinted blur balm. I don't think there's that powder.
No, that's not powder.
Peptide sculpting cream bronzer. I don't need a bronzer. This is matte powder bronzer.
Yeah.
I've got my own powder. I don't want to mess about. No, I don't normally use powder. It's purely because I've put so much on my face that is, quote, hydrating. Let me see. This mirror's like... Nice. They're a nice product, though. Let's tidy up my brows a bit with Vive.
Your skin looks great.
Vive Clear Modern Brow Gel. We love Jamie.
We love Jamie. Did you see that this one has it, like, helps with growth as well?
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Right, it comes out quite heavy on the wand, guys, so wipe it on the inner tube before you apply. Now I need to brush that through because there's way too much on my eyes. I was sent 2 packets of brushes from Spectrum, so I've got the KJH collection, which is great because I left my brushes at home. Just going to use KJH Spectrum 23 to brush that through because it was a bit too much product on my eyes before it goes hard. We love a good brush set. What else is new that I can play with before I take it all off and do my own makeup again? Rare bronzer.
Yeah,
nice shout. Sunblaze, Summer Feels. Good names. I would like both of those. I'd like to be blazed in the sun and I'd like some Summer Feels. So one is more bronze, one is slightly more pink. My concern about putting these on now is they are powder. I haven't powdered yet, so wherever I apply them, it's going to stick to my head like glue. They're very, very loose as well. They're not, look at the dust. There's quite a lot of kickback in action there. Just trying to be delicate and not, I'm just trying to see if you can even see it.
Yeah.
Do you think?
I can see it. Yeah.
Okay. Feels very nice.
Chisel.
Feels nice. Let's have a look. And then there's some lip tings. So there is, are these new?
Yeah.
I think they are new. From Rare, right there.
Some Sarah Creole.
Creole. Oh, I know what I was looking for. Gucci Westman. I went to a breakfast for this last week. Hydro Balm tinted lipstick. This is Juice. I don't know what this colour is like. Oh, I did not blend there very well. But the formulas are lush and they go on almost like a balm. Look.
Oh. Oh, that's
nice.
That's pretty.
Sally Hughes and I exchanged colours. Nice.
That's really nice.
We love. Let's do a balm on top.
Ooh.
Oh, I like that. Look, this is lip, but it's in like a typical blush. Nice. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay. Winner.
That combination
They are
on you.
delicious.
I've never seen you with that kind of colour and it's so nice.
And they wind back down. Yes, Selena Gomez. So far, my 2 favourites, unsurprisingly, are lip products. Fine Comfort Lip Butter in Loved from Rare and Juice Westman Atelier Hydro Balm Tinted Lipstick. Love those. Now, have I played with most things? Right, Liv just pointed out that I've been sent a Makeup Forever press send out box. Socks? No. Look.
Foot content.
Very cute. What are these? Let's see. Oh, I like this. This is cool. Look. I would use that for all manner of things. Keys, all sorts of things. I'm going to keep that out. Thank you very much.
You're a lesbian.
Wow.
That's Caribbean.
For those of you who don't know me or Liv is a lesbian and frequently says, see, you're one of us. So she's not speaking without experience. Right, this says lip.
It can go on the eye and lip though.
Pink Obsession. Wait.
Yeah.
Okay, really helpful. Okay, wait. Artist liquid colour, multi-use for cheek, lips and eyes. Transfer proof matte liquid colour. Easy to use with a sponge. Okay, well, the sponge I've got is Amy Connolly's. My concern is that I don't really have a colour here that's suitable for me. Let's get rid of this. Just for shits and giggles, let's do a bit of pink cheek.
Do it.
What do we do? Shall I put it on my hand and then... Oh no. Oh no. I think we're just going to put a bit on the lip.
What?
Bear with. I'm not sure the colourway is me, but it feels nice. Look.
Exactly.
Aunt Sally. Now this really is blush blindness. Look. Oh no. Oh, well, I done. It's all gone horribly wrong. Oh, it blends though. I mean, it's still too pink. Now, if I go over it with that. I mean, I would have made it work. If I was stuck and I had nothing else to do and I wanted to look a bit flushed like Marie Antoinette, winner, winner. Having said that, I'm not sure Pink Obsession is quite the colour I would be going for, but not too... I mean, I think we should probably call it a day there. We should probably call it a day there, and I'll take my lesbian...
Carabiner. Yeah, because you attach it to your trousers.
Oh, I'm not going to do that. It's just going to go in my handbag with keys at one end and keys at the other end. So, not a full lesbian yet. Yet.